Hi guys, I started it's pretty dark. So I'm in the vending machine, just like snacks down there. Hopefully you can see that, but so we're gonna do vending machine POV. So first we're gonna set this up. I forgot to put a stand. Oh, this. Okay. So these are the buttons right here, like it's a mystery. Okay, let me just. There we go. Vending machine's open. Okay, we'll pick one down there.
I'm dirty.
So pick one. Which one are you picking? That one, 9. Okay. You have got. Well, first pay me the money.
Here you go.
No, I mean the magnet money. Thank you. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
That's not dirty.
We don't have no drinks. That's the only problem.
Oh, the other one.
Then we don't have anything else.
I want this one.
Okay, thanks.
Bye.
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 That was our first customer. Hey, Theo. Oh, yeah, make sure to subscribe to Checker E. Checker capital E.
Hey, Jordan.
Theo, are you going to buy something?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, I need to get some money. Get some money, bro. Okay. So,
What should I
can you close the bathroom door? They can see the toilet.
Okay. How do you buy this? Buy that.
Oh, I can buy this? I'll trade you with...
Errol, this is my spot.
Emma, I'll trade you with this.
So, shall we go? I want my puppets.
Fine, we'll trade it back.
Errol, you took my spot. Okay.
Okay, pick one. Oh, no, Theo. Be careful with that.
Yeah.
Like, make it straight. That's good. Okay, Theo, what do you pick? Which one do you think?
Let me pick.
Nothing, don't say the number. I can already see it.
I want to pick the
Did you just click one already?
fifth one.
First one?
No, fifth one.
The fifth one, okay.
Yeah, it's after
First, pay
4.
me money. Pay me money.
How much?
$1. Give me. They shouldn't have picked the 10th one.
Why?
I don't know.
Trade.
Oh shit! Like that!
Trade.
Abel, come here.
I actually want the 10th one.
Abel, trade.
I actually want the 10th
Abel,
one.
trade. Abel, here's your thirsty. Sorry, I gave you the wrong one.
I actually want the 10th one.
Jesus. That's not a... Yeah, Jesus.
hungry.
There's one lucky good one. No, Abel, pick one.
That one.
Which one?
That one. Mom.
Which one?
That one.
Abel, scoot over here. Go in front of there. Pick one. Again.
I got one.
Oh, the third one?
Yeah.
Okay. This is what you get. Wait.
That's Friday.
Cheerios.
I I know. Bye.
Bye.
Rand's right there. There is a vending machine.
Okay, now maybe there's another.
What is a cheese?
Cheese. Okay, pick a number. Pick one.
Beep.
Okay, you got your lucky number. An airhead.
Oh.
But there's a better one. Okay, Theo, pick a number.
So cool.
That is so cool.
Theo, pick a number. Pick one already.
The 6th one.
Okay, this is what you got.
I don't even like these.
Huh?
Pop it out.
I don't even like these.
No, Theo, get them back in. You have it, you keep it.
I mean something.
Mom paid for you too.
I mean
Come on. Okay, pick one. Okay, this is what you got. Okay, guys, there's only 2 more left.
I'm gonna try.
Okay, Lily, pick one. Lily, everyone move. Okay, pick one. Don't tell me the number though. The second one, you got Panda Cookie. Pick one. Huh? Lily, we'll pick one of these.
Oh, I feel like Gawaka. It's here. Gawaka. Gawaka book. Gawaka book.
Okay. Is my birthday?
That's not my birthday.
Okay, for your birthday, you get this. Gummies. Oh, I farted. Ew, it stinks in here. Ew.
It's okay.
Okay. Yeah. Last guy to come in here. Hit. You get something good. No, everybody, you can't go again. The last person who comes here will get something good. Eleanor. No.
Me and her come together.
Everyone pick. Okay. Pick one.
It's our
Eleanor, you.
Oh no.
Destruction has caused destruction. Okay, wait. I need. Theo, come here. Can you set this? Oh my God, Theo, can you set this back up? Eleanor, stop. Okay, just hold it. Okay, Lily, pick a number.